with Fae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in for another soap making video. Today's soap, I am trying to conjure some spring vibes over here with I guess a fresh cotton type of linen, laundry type of soap. It's not necessarily a laundry soap to clean your clothes. It is a clean laundry smell because the fragrance I got from Crafter's Choice is called Clean Laundry. So we are going to be doing that today. I've already poured in my lye solution into my oils. There's coconut milk powder, kaolin clay, tussa silk, and sodium lactate in my recipe. And I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed up real quick. So I've split the batter into 3 separate containers, and I'm going to start off by coloring each one of these with some titanium dioxide that has been dispersed in water. Just want to mute the colors a little bit. One of them I'm going to sit to the side. This one has the most. That will be my top layer. So we'll set that one off because we don't need that one right at the moment. And then these two I'm going to color in some blues. The first one is an electric blue that is by Nurture Soap. This one is so pretty. I love how vibrant and shiny and almost neon looking this one is. And then into the little guy I've got some Blue Vibrance that is also by Nurture Soap, and I am going to go ahead and give them a mix. I'll do an in the pot swirl. And then I will throw this into my 2 5-pound soap molds. So for the final layer, I'm going to mix it up, and it's just going to be this white. And then I'm going to attempt to do a mica line, probably pour about half of it in, and then I've got this cornflower. This is a Nurture Soap Enviro Glitter. So I'll try doing a mica line in between if this doesn't set up on me too quickly. And then we'll start decorating the top of it. So I'm going to do the same thing for the top of the soap. I'm going to put a layer of this cornflower Enviro glitter on top just to make a pretty sparkly blue layer. And then I have some dried straw flowers that I'm going to put on here. I had bought them when I did my Autumn Mums soap. Bought a big old bag of these flowers from a store off Etsy, and now I have so many of them I have to figure out what soaps I want to put them on, especially for like spring and summer, and maybe again on my Autumn Mums soap in the fall, because I have that many, and then like it's dried flowers, they're not going to go bad, and they just look so pretty on soap. So I think I'm going to go ahead and cover this entire thing. Try not to get any of the white popping through. Stuff is so sparkly. It is just sparkling everywhere, flying up in the air. Kind of like all the snow outside. It's snowed at least 3 times in probably the past week. And as soon as it melts, it's like it snows and then the ground is covered again. It's crazy. I'm kind of tired of winter and I don't want to see snow anymore. Especially, I don't like playing out in snow. I think it's pretty to look at, but I am not the kind of person to go out and play in the snow. Maybe when Bash is older and he'll want to go out and play in the snow, but I just hate playing out in the snow. Here are the straw flowers, and I'm going to put one in the middle of each bar, like so. And I think that's all I'm going to do on top of this soap. I had some glitter pulled off to the side, but I think this sparkly top is glittery enough. And I'm hoping that this is the end of the snow. I'm just ready for spring, and I'm trying to conjure those spring vibes with that soap because it smells really good. The description just says something about laundry hanging in a summer breeze, so it's very simple. I'm getting floral notes out of it. Maybe I can also, speaking of laundry and conjuring things, maybe I can conjure my dryer. We haven't had a dryer since we moved into this house. We thought we had this brand new dryer, washer and dryer, and I would go to dry clothes and it wouldn't dry in the first time. I'd have to like keep starting the thing. And I'm like, what is going on? It wasn't even getting hot. So we think there's something wrong with the heater element, and it was just a pain in the butt to replace and probably just as much money. So we decided we're just gonna get a new dryer. And nowadays everything is just back ordered, and it's so hard to get anything, I can't see my lines, get anything delivered to your house anymore. That just made it worse. So it's been months and months of not having a dryer, and I cannot wait to do laundry. I never thought I would say that, but doing laundry is hard enough. Having to hang your clothes to dry, I'm over it. All right, I like it. Simple, but yet it's stunning. I'm gonna let this sit for 24 hours, and then I'll come back and cut it, and we'll take a look at the inside. So much glitter. Alright, let's take a look at the inside. And is it just me, or is anyone else getting lotus or lilies on top of a pond with this shiny blue top? So here is the inside. And I gotta admit, you can't really see any swirls in that bottom blue layer, but let's keep going just in case that changes. I think maybe adding the titanium dioxide to it really messed up the idea. I mean, they're very, very faint in there, but I still love this design. I love that little blue mica line in there, and the smell is really nice. I think this is a very fitting color for this soap. And the top with the little flower kind of reminds me of like a cotton flower. So that is my clean laundry soap. It smells so good. Like, I'm not a big fan of florals, but this is a very nice, fresh, very spring smell to it. If you're interested in purchasing one, it will be available in the Etsy shop, if I still have an Etsy shop, because according to Bradley, I'm going to have a website. But March 26th is the next shop update, so if you're interested, mark your calendars. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new around here, come join me for more fun soap making videos. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day, and I will smell you later.